Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey there, fellow drivers. Ever find yourself scratching your head as your tires seem to have a knack for going flat? Well, you're not alone. In today's guide, we're looking at the common mysteries behind why your tires might be losing air. From pesky punctures to more elusive issues, we've got the insights you need to keep those tires properly inflated. Stick around as we unravel the causes and roll out the solutions in this comprehensive exploration of why your tires keep going flat. Why do my tires keep going flat? Understanding the causes and solutions. Are you tired of constantly dealing with flat tires? It can be frustrating and inconvenient, not to mention potentially dangerous. Understanding why your tires keep going flat is essential in preventing this recurring issue. In this video, we will address common misconceptions about tire maintenance and highlight the importance of comprehending the reasons behind repeated flat tires. You will gain valuable insights into the factors that contribute to this problem and learn practical tips for effective tire maintenance. Tire puncture or damage. Tire punctures or damage can be a frustrating and all too common occurrence for many drivers. Understanding the causes and taking preventive measures can save you time, money, and the hassle of dealing with flat tires regularly. Causes of puncture or damage. Nails, screws, glass, and road debris are some of the most common culprits for tire punctures or damage. These objects often find their way onto roads and highways, posing a risk to unsuspecting tires. Regular tire inspections are crucial in identifying and addressing potential punctures or damage. By being proactive, you can catch small issues before they escalate into bigger problems. Preventive measures. Practicing proper driving habits such as avoiding construction areas and maintaining safe distances from other vehicles can significantly reduce the risk of tire punctures or damage. Being aware of your surroundings and driving cautiously can help you steer clear of potential hazards on the road. In addition, ensuring that your tires are properly inflated and in good condition can also contribute to preventing punctures or damage. By staying mindful of your driving environment and taking proactive measures, you can minimize the likelihood of encountering tire punctures or damage, ultimately saving you time, money, and the inconvenience of dealing with flat tires. Tire aging and wear. As tires age, they can become more prone to regular deflation. Factors such as exposure to UV rays and extreme temperatures can significantly impact the structural integrity of tires over time. UV rays can cause the rubber to degrade, leading to cracks and weakening of the tire's composition, while extreme temperatures can accelerate this process. Let's continue. Factors contributing to tire aging. Exposure to UV rays can cause the rubber in tires to break down, resulting in reduced flexibility and an increased likelihood of cracks and leaks. High temperatures, whether from hot climates or prolonged use, can accelerate this process, leading to a decrease in tire strength and overall durability. Additionally, the age of the tire, even if it has not been used frequently, can impact its ability to maintain proper air pressure. As tires get older, the rubber becomes less flexible and more prone to damage, making them more susceptible to deflation. Signs of wear. Tire wear is often indicated by the depth of the tread. As the tread wears down, the tire's ability to grip the road surface diminishes, increasing the risk of deflation. Cracks in the tire's sidewall are another sign of aging and wear, as they can indicate structural weakness that may lead to air loss. Regular tire rotation is essential to ensure even wear and adequate tread depth, helping to maintain tire integrity and prevent avoidable deflation. Ultimately, regular inspections and timely replacement of worn or aging tires are crucial for ensuring vehicle safety and performance. Improper tire inflation. Maintaining the right tire pressure is crucial for vehicle safety and performance. Improper tire inflation, whether it's underinflation or overinflation, can lead to various issues that impact both the driving experience and the longevity of your tires. Effects of underinflation and overinflation. Underinflated tires are prone to increased heat buildup, which can lead to premature tire wear and potential blowouts. Additionally, underinflation causes uneven tread wear, reducing the overall lifespan of the tire. On the other hand, overinflated tires can result in a harsher ride due to decreased shock absorption. Over time, this can lead to potential damage to the suspension components and compromise the vehicle's stability and traction on the road. Maintaining proper tire pressure. Regularly checking tire pressure is essential to ensure optimal performance and safety. It's important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the correct tire pressure, which can often be found in the owner's manual or on a placard located inside the driver's side door jamb. Utilizing a reliable tire pressure gauge and making adjustments as needed can help to prevent underinflation and overinflation, ultimately extending the lifespan of your tires and improving fuel efficiency. By understanding the effects of improper tire inflation and taking proactive measures to maintain the correct tire pressure, you can enhance the safety, performance, and longevity of your vehicle's tires. Valve and rim issues. Valves and rims can be the unsung heroes or silent troublemakers when it comes to tire deflation. Understanding common valve and rim issues along with proper maintenance is crucial in preventing flat tires. Common valve and rim problems. Valve stem damage is a leading cause of air leakage. Oftentimes, wear and tear or accidental damage can cause the valve stem to deteriorate, leading to slow leaks. Corrosion around the valve stem area is another culprit. This can occur due to exposure to harsh weather conditions or road salts, compromising the integrity of the valve and causing air loss. Rim leaks can also occur due to corrosion or damage, leading to slow deflation of tires. Proper valve and rim maintenance. Regularly inspecting the valve stems for signs of wear and tear is essential. Simple steps such as replacing valve caps can prevent dust and debris from settling around the valve, reducing the risk of leaks. Additionally, ensuring the valve cores are tightened and the valve area is free from corrosion can help prevent air loss. Rim maintenance should also not be overlooked. Regular cleaning and inspection can help identify potential issues before they lead to flat tires, saving time and money in the long run. In closing off this video, let's conclude that understanding the reasons behind your tires going flat is very important for maintaining a safe and efficient driving experience. Regular tire maintenance, including checking tire pressure, inspecting for leaks and punctures, and ensuring proper alignment and balance, is essential for extending the lifespan of your tires and ensuring optimal vehicle performance. By being proactive in addressing potential issues and conducting routine checks, you can minimize the risk of unexpected flat tires and enhance the safety of your journeys on the road. Remember, a small investment of time and attention to your tires can save you from the inconvenience and potential dangers of flat tires while driving. And there you have it, folks. We've just navigated the bumpy road of tire troubles, understanding the reasons behind those persistent flats and discovering practical solutions. Please don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.